The importance of seeking spirit. One who does not possess the seeking spirit is spiritually blind. He is unable to see spiritual things, even if they exist all around him. Discovery starts with seeking. If you are a seeker, you are bound to reach your goal. This is a law of nature, and as such, immutable. It is impossible for anyone who is imbued with the questing spirit not to achieve their goal. Indeed, this is a divine law, which was expressed by Jesus Christ. Ask, and you shall receive. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and the door will be opened to you. Conversely, it's impossible for anyone to make a discovery without being possessed of a questing spirit. What is seeking? Seeking means activating your mind, your eyes, your ears. When a person activates these faculties, he or she develops in themselves the quality of perceptiveness, so conditioning themselves, whenever they find what they want, they immediately take possession of it. If a blind human is thirsty and a glass of water is placed in front of him, he will not drink from it. He is incapable of perceiving it. The same is true of unseen realities. One who does not possess the seeking spirit is spiritually blind. He is unable to see spiritual things, even if they exist all around him. Therefore, before spiritual finding comes spiritual seeking. First, you have to make yourself a spiritual seeker. Only then you will be able to discover those spiritual things, which will always be evident around you. The seeking spirit must be underpinned with sincerity. What is sincerity? Sincerity is freedom from deceit, falsity, and hypocrisy. It is a precondition for the success of seeking spirit. If you have the desire to emerge as a spiritual finder, you must develop this quality of sincerity. Anyone who wants to make himself into a spiritual person must first turn himself into a sincere person, for sincerity is the price to be paid for spirituality. In this world, nothing can be attained without paying its price. A human being is like the onion, which has several layers to it. Just as the core of onion can only be reached after removing these layers, so can a human's personality be only reached after removing multiple layers bit by bit, which enshroud them when they live in the society. If you are earnest about wanting to achieve spirituality, you have no option but to rediscover your core personality by divesting yourself of these layers. Once you have done so, you will find sincerity. And when there's sincerity, there is spirituality. They go hand in hand. Sincerity is like the seed, and spirituality is like a fruit. Spirituality is the feature in all human beings that is most to be desired. It makes life meaningful in that it spurs you on to lead a purposeful life. It enables you to live with normalcy of the mind even in abnormal circumstances. It saves you from wasting your time and energy on frivolous pursuits, thus ensuring you become a healthy member of the society. Spirituality is so precious that one must be prepared to pay any price for it, no matter how high. It is a goal worthy of attainment. But this can only be achieved by making sincere efforts. No one can achieve spirituality automatically. Every person is born twice. The first birth is a physical one, in which their parents are instrumental. The second is their spiritual birth, which a person attains by their own efforts.